Hey guys, I'm Steph. Welcome back to my beauty stash. Today is, what is today? I'm losing track of what number the day is. It's day 6 of Love Fest week here in Steph's beauty stash. All week long, I've been bringing you guys love-filled videos, primarily featuring around creating an eye look for Valentine's Day. Today, I want to do the laid-back Valentine's Day makeup look, the stay-at-home Valentine's Day makeup look, because I have a feeling that's how a lot of us are going to be spending Valentine's Day, which there is nothing wrong with that. You can still have a beautiful special day at home in the comfort of your own home for probably a lot less money than you would spend going out. So maybe this year Valentine's Day might actually save you some money. Maybe not. If your Valentine loves makeup the way I do, get them whatever makeup they want. So let's jump into the eye tutorial for this stay-at-home Valentine's Day makeup look. I already have my base makeup on, and I will definitely have those products linked and listed in the description box down below in case you are interested in checking them out. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up purchasing, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. So guys, if you want to see my stay-at-home Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, keep on watching. So for eye primer, I went in with a little bit of the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Base, and that gives a nice tackiness to the eyelid so that the shadows can adhere to it. Now I have two palettes that I purchased recently from Juvia's place. They're not new palettes, but they are new to me, so I wanted to incorporate these in today's eye look. So first up, I picked up the Nomad by Juvia's place eyeshadow palette. Really pretty shades in there. That yellow is what really drew me to the palette. And then I also picked up the Chocolates by Juvia's Place palette. So I thought we could try and incorporate both palettes in today's eye look. I feel like keeping the look a little bit neutral, but still have a nice pop of either shimmer or maybe this those pretty green shades that are here in this palette. So I'm not entirely sure what look I want to create. And guys, FYI, I don't plan these looks out. I just pick a palette and decide as I go. So I know that I kind of want to use the two yellow shades at the top. So I guess we're going to start with those shades. This one has like a little shimmer to it. Let's see. Let me swatch that one. Yeah, it has like a little bit of a glitter in it. It transfers a little bit onto the skin. So let's see, I'm gonna start off with this shade right here, and I'm gonna work that in my crease. It's gonna act as my transition shade. And of course, I am so excited to be using these BK Beauty brushes that I purchased. I'm gonna start off with the 201 brush. They did give me a code. Oh my goodness, I was so totally unexpected, but they gave me a code, which is Steff10. I will have it listed down here. It will save you 10% off your next BK Beauty order. I make no money, guys. No money off of that code. It's just something that they wanted to offer to all of my viewers out there. So thank you so much, BK Beauty and Lisa J, for thinking of me and for thinking of my audience. All right, now I'm going to go in with this beautiful yellow shade, and I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use the BK 202 brush for that. All right, now I'm going to dip into the Chocolates palette, and I think I'm going to go in with this medium tone brown shade down here, and I'm going to use that on the outer portion and kind of blend it slightly into the crease. And for that, I'm going to be going in with a rougher number 14 brush. I don't want to go too dark with this look. I just want to keep it kind of just neutral, you know? I mean, we have that fun pop with the yellow that makes it just a little bit different, but I don't want to necessarily deepen up the look. Like, I think I want this brown shade to be the extent of the darkness, but we'll see. Let's see where the look takes us. I'm just focusing it right out here, kind of keeping it more towards this outer 1/4. So now I'm going to go back into the Nomad palette, and I'm going to try this shade right here in the center. I'm not wetting the brush for this. And look at that payoff. Beautiful. That is such a beautiful shade. It actually looks a little darker in the pan than what it translates to on the eye, but I love it. I'm just gonna lightly go back in with the yellow shade right here, just to kind of blend everything together. Now I'm gonna go back in with the brown shade over here from the palette. Just kind of re-intensify it. All right, I like how that came out. Nice, neutral, but still a little bit fun. Now let's work on the lower lash line. I would love to use the green, but I don't know. Just kind of want to keep it like really just neutral and simple. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to take that on a BK Beauty 204 brush. All right, so now for the inner corner highlight. I kind of want to do, I'm going to go in with this yellow on the inner corner. Let's see what that's going to do. And I'm going to take it on a Refer 03 brush. Yeah, that looks fun. That looks cool. Just something a little bit different, you know? We have all that sparkle on the eyelid. I like that. All right, guys, so I'm going to pop off, do some liner, lashes, and then I will show you guys the completed look. All right, guys, so this is the completed stay-at-home Valentine's Day look. What do you guys think? I really enjoyed working with these Juvia's Place palettes. These are new to me palettes, and I did order them straight from the Juvia's Place website. It was one weekend that they were having like a 40 or 50% off site-wide sale, so I wanted to pick these up. For the things that I added, I went in with 2 liners. Where's the other one? 2 liners from the Raw Beauty by ColourPop collection. I went in with the yellow and the brown one. The brown one on the top lash line and the yellow in my lower waterline. For mascara, I went in with the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. This is almost dried up, so I will probably be tossing this pretty soon, but it still had a little bit of life in it to get me some lashes for today. I opted not to put falsies on just because, well, it's a stay-at-home makeup look, so who wants to deal with the lash glue and all that stuff? I feel like this is a very neutral eye look, but still fun. It still has a pop, but it definitely wasn't a hard look for you all to recreate, especially because you probably have these shades already in other palettes if you don't have any of these Juvia's Place palettes. And of course I had to add this cozy sweater to go along with the look. It is an ugly weekend here in South Texas weather-wise. It's going to be in the 40s, raining. Oh, just dreadful weather, at least for my taste. So guys, that wraps up day 6 of Love Fest week here in Steff's Beauty Stash. I really do hope you guys have been enjoying all of these videos. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the look. Let me know if you recreate any of these looks, guys, that I've been doing. Tag me over on Instagram or here on YouTube. Let me know. Send me your pics and show me what inspiration that you picked up from my videos. I would love to hear and see all about it, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water. Got mine right here. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.